If you can complete a job of painting a house in 10 hours, your friend can paint the house in 6 hours. How many hours would it take both of you to paint the house? So what are we looking for? If both of you will paint the house, how long? So that would be your x. So let x, let x, all right. Nice here. Let x be the number of hours for both to paint the house, or for both to paint a house. Let's find the rate. So what are the rates here? Let's find the first rate. If you can complete painting a house in 10 hours, what is your rate? 1 over you, okay? I mean your rate. That would be 1 over 10, okay? So rate would be 1 over 10. That would be your rate. How about your friend's rate? That's the time it you can finish, but the rate is 1 over 6, all right? So that would be 1 over 6. That's the rate of your friend. How about the rate of both of you? We do not know that, right? So that would be 1 over x. So that would be both. So let's find our equation based on this information that we have. This is simply helping one another. So is this an addition or subtraction? Are we adding the rates or are we subtracting? You are actually helping. So your rate plus your friend's rate equals both of, I mean, the rate of you both painting the house. So your rate plus friend equals both. What's the rate of you? What's your rate? It's 1 over 10. What's your friend's rate? 1 over 6. What's the rate of you both working? 1 over x. All right, so that's our equation. That's what we need to solve in the next slide. Our LCD for 10, 6, and x, it is 30x. All right, 30x. So we multiply both by 30x, both sides by 30x. You have 1 over 10 times 30x plus 1 over 6 times your 30x. That's equal to 1 over x times your 30x. Then we can cancel this. 30 divided by 10, 3. 30 divided by 6, 5. Cancel your x. 3 times x times 1, you have 3x plus 1 times 5 times x, you have 5x equals 30. 3x plus 5x, you have 8x equals 30. Divide both sides by 8. And so what's our x now? You cannot divide 30 by 8. But you can make a mixed number, right? So what's 30 over 8? You have 3, 24. 30 minus 24, you have 6. So that will be 8 and 6 over 8. But what's 6 over 8? 3/4. You can divide both 6 and 8 by 2. So this one will be 3 and 3/4 hours. All right, so 3 and 3/4 hours.